This is what it looks like with after hours. I wonder if it'll look this busy at 1 a.m. It's so busy right now.
The cart had a long line.
What?
The cart had a long line.
Yeah. We almost couldn't get through Adventureland because the line for the popcorn cart went from the cart literally across the walkway to Tiki Room and no one was curving.
Like all of our automatic lights start to come on and stuff. So we really have to be like...
There's nobody in line for Splash. So walk on to your favorite ride. How many times are we gonna do this? Oh no, my shoe's coming undone.
And y'all are gonna be around 9.
Going back for round number 2. I was hoping we could stay in our seats, but there's people there, so. So far we kind of got partial Jungle Cruise, Pirates, Splash, now Big Thunder twice. And it's, my Magic Band doesn't tell time, I just looked at it, but it's 11:09. One of the perks of these parties is you get free soda, free popcorn, and free ice cream. So that's what we're heading to get.
Hi, can I get 2 premium bars, a water, a Sprite, and a Diet Coke?
Yep.
You're welcome. Hi there, what can I get started for you?
Can I get 2 waters, a popcorn,
There you go.
and a
Thank
mini
you.
ice cream?
All right, thank you.
Got it.
You too.
Thank you.
2 waters and a premium.
2 water.
13 minutes.
Lucky number.
Whose lucky number is it?
I don't know, but it is.
Now, this is a sight you don't see often. What do you got?
Frozen banana.
Frozen banana. I got a strawberry fruit bar.
Sorry.
We're a little tight down here.
Super excited.
Can't hit the pedal.
And my bag is between my legs.
Safety.
Can't really do anything.
Just along for the ride.
I'm not this bad of a driver. Oh, I can go faster.
Oh, jeez. I don't know if you should.
This thing is like rubbing.
Oh, jeez.
This thing is like rubbing my leg. I can't do it.
Oh, Oh.
Ugh, it hurts.
Oh.
The person behind is gaining on us. I have a burn on the inside of my leg. I'm sorry, I can't help it.
We're gonna get our own cars this time.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are. We need to control each other's destiny.
We're really cute.
Just had to walk on Space Mountain. I got a little dizzy. Sick with that one.
Good.
Now we're gonna go on Astro Orbiter, which you never get to go on because it's always such a long wait. We walked on.
Pilots, prepare for liftoff.
Friday last night, Friday of the night. I hope my hat is in the backpack.
Yeah, you were wearing it before.
Yeah,
Because you didn't have it on in space.
true.
For a different high-five adventure,
Okay.
your own spacecraft
I had a minor panic attack. I couldn't figure out where my camera was.
and ascend to otherworldly heights.
Seriously.
Seriously, I tapped my pocket where it was and it wasn't there. Last ride. Bye, Castle. You're alone on Main Street. Look at that.
My kind of Main Street. Oh, I'm tired. Let's go home.
You say so?
Yeah,
What time is it?
107.
Oh. We did it
We
all.
still have morning fast passes tomorrow. What'd you do to me, Mr. P?
I moved them up a little bit.
Really nice, because when I went, there was no one here. So I could put my That's like the one where I don't
Do you know where our car's at?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
That one.
That one.
Little guy. Way up there by himself.
There's little red guy, way out there.
All alone. All their bumpers there.
The back one, at least.
Ta-da!